Thank you, Ron. Our professional organizer, Jamie Pfeiffer, is here to guide us on a better path for setting those fitness goals, wellness goals. Welcome to Lifestyles.
And thank you.
What do we need to, my question always is, what's the first thing?
What's the first thing?
How do you get started?
Right. So you probably set a New Year's resolution, as everybody does over the year.
And most of them are broken by
exactly.
now. It's
but
March.
That's the thing. With spring right around the corner, or hopefully right around the corner, you can get outside now and get some more activity. So making sure that you have that in your schedule and planning those exercise routines, making it a routine. And of course, the big thing with keeping routine is to plan, have good time management skills. So being able to say no when you don't want to give up your time for something that's not quite as enjoyable to you or important to you, and just making time for those important things like getting to the gym.
Why does it matter that we plan these things and get our goals lined up? What does that do for us?
Well, it's going to it's going to keep you on track. It's going to get you towards the goal. If you don't have a good plan in place, you're going to lose track. You're going to get off schedule. You're not going to be as accountable, and you're going to quit.
You're going to break that resolution.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah.
So,
well, what is it when you set a goal? Does that add an advantage? Like if you really set, I want to be at this weight or have this fitness level, is that an advantage to set the goal and then aim for it?
It is an advantage, but also I would recommend when you set that goal, also think about what ways you're going to accomplish that goal. There are more than one way to go about creating or, getting to that goal. You might, if you're going to meditate, if you say, I want to meditate more, well, how often are you going to do it? Where are you going to do it? Make a better plan than just saying, I'm going to meditate more. So, and there are apps out there that can help keep us on track too. A great app for keeping track of all of your medical records and different things is called CareZone. I don't know if you've heard of CareZone.
I have not. I mean, I see several on Facebook that help you track your fitness, and I have one myself that I use called Map My Walk. But,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's those apps that can track your activity. There's also apps that can keep track of your medical, like your medicines. You can keep track of all your medicines. So when you go to the doctor and the doctor asks you, what medicines are you on? You don't have to stop and think.
Or drag them all to the office in a big plastic bag.
You can enter them into the app, and you just have that app on you as long as you have your phone on you. So you can also, it not only keeps track of yourself, but your family members, and you can, gives you reminders or you can set it up to give you reminders to make those important appointments or to even take certain medications if you're supposed to remember to take it at certain times. So it does all kinds of great things. Check it out.
And what's the name of it again?
CareZone.
CareZone.
Yes.
All right. Is this in your newsletter too?
It is in the newsletter, yeah. We try to get, we always have some sort of technology highlight or spotlight in our newsletter. If you're not that technologically inclined, you can basically create the same thing with a binder. Just put information in there that is relevant to your family and their medical needs, medicines, doctors' names, insurance companies, different things like that, so that when you have to go to a doctor's appointment, you have it all in one place, ready to go, and you don't have to get to the doctors and not know, have to stop and think. It saves time and quite a bit of headache.
Well, thank you, Jamie. You always help us stay on track.
All right, I try.
Jamie Pfeiffer. We'll be back with more local lifestyles right after this. Please stay with us.